It's not every day we get to celebrate a child reunited with their parents. June is National Reunification Month, and as News 13's Grace Velez tells us, today the 14th Judicial Circuit in Bay County honored parents who have put in the work to get better for their families.
While dependency courtrooms have seen a fair share of highs and lows, on Friday, Bay County Courtroom S2 only saw highs. Parents once deemed unfit by the court were granted reunification with their children.
It means the world. It's very rare we celebrate reunification. Usually we celebrate adoptions, which is fantastic in itself, but seeing this full circle moment for families from the time the families were sheltered to the time they were unified, it's really powerful.
Each of the required case plans parents must complete are complex, unique, and difficult in their own way.
Each case plan is designed to remedy the reasons why the children came into care. It can be anything from substance misuse, mental health, domestic violence, or it can be a combination of those things. They've put in a lot of work. As I tell most people, I couldn't complete a case plan if I had to do one.
And some parents who were previously granted reunification in November and have been doing great were granted termination of supervision. Unfortunately, the stigma remains for many parents who struggle with substance abuse, trauma, or other extenuating factors that led them to be in dependency court. But Friday's celebration was a display of compassion, understanding, and ultimately triumph.
The perspective matters because the obstacles these families face, with the wrong perspective, that pulls them in the wrong direction. But with the right perspective, it can be a positive change, and it can be a force for good, and it can turn an otherwise difficult, challenging moment into an opportunity to be better, to do better, and to be the parent that they've been called to be.
Judge Stevenson says he runs his courtroom looking to the positive and encouraging families that celebrations like Friday's are in their future. Panama City Commissioner Janice Lucas presented those in attendance with a proclamation solidifying June as National Reunification Month. The event was the first of its kind for Bay County and possibly long overdue for all of the caseworkers, judges, community partners, and families who play a pivotal role in the process. In Bay County, Grace Velez, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Judge Stevenson says Bay County is in dire need of foster parents who can step up, even temporarily, while a parent is going through the reunification process. He says there are many Bay County children who have had to be relocated to Central or South Florida due to the lack of foster parents in our area. To learn more about becoming a foster parent, go to our website, mypanhandle.com.